experience ko sa Combine. Siguro naman, very exciting for me. Siyempre, this has been like a lifelong dream to be in this spot. Kanina, I was really nervous coming in. Pero as soon as konting takbo, parang okay, we've been doing this. Alam mo na to. And I got to find my rhythm naman during the scrimmage. And it's nice to see a lot of mga kasama ng dad ko before, tsaka mga tito ko. It's good to see them, tsaka mga teammates ko, mga kasabay ko ng high school, college. Ayan po.
Speaking of that, I'm sure si Coach Jerry involved dyan sa basketball aspirations mo. May nasabi ba siya sa'yo or advice before coming in?
Today? Particularly today?
Well,
the whole process. Yung whole process po, parang sabi nila, actually yung preparation ko for the draft, sobrang bilis lang eh. Almost parang 2 weeks, 3 weeks lang. Sabi nila lang, well, do your best, parang excel, please the coaches, do your best to please the coaches, be a good teammate, tsaka ano ka lang, parang don't overdo yung trabaho mo kasi yun nga, role player ka lang, you know, like don't try to be outstanding scorer because that's not really what you are, that's not how you were brought up. Just do the dirty work, kung ano yung pinagawa ni coach, just do it, tapos if you find your rhythm early, kasama nakashoot ka, edi tuloy-tuloy lang habang buenas or gano'n, just keep going.
Saan ka nag-high school pala?
Yung high school ko, I played sa Lasal Zobel. Lasal Zobel, pero team B lang. Tapos lumipat po ng NCAA sa Arellano. Tapos I played under Coach Tylon for a year. Tapos sa college din, 1 year with my dad and kay Coach Junji. Then lumipat po ako ng UST after ng season. Tapos nag-residency po ako noon. Then nag-pandemic. Tapos nag-MPBL, nag-PSL ako after that. Then tuloy-tuloy na po MPBL. Yan po.
Sa USD, Team B ka?
Yeah.
Sino coach mo?
Noong time na si Coach Aldin. Coach Aldin. Yung parang nag-finals, gano'n. Tsaka, it was a good time naman in USD. Ano lang, sadyang there's a lot of issues when pandemic happened, so all of us got dispersed. Ang daming lumipat, at yung mga nasa Team B nawalan ng mga scholarship. So parang yung option ko at that time was to play na lang sa MPBL. Then parang I was blessed na yung parents ko, they were like, oh, if you want to go back to school, you can go back to school para matapos, at least may diploma ka if ever basketball doesn't work out. May degree ka. So ayun, yun na lang yung ginawa ko. Then yung coach ko sa Marikina at that time, thankful naman po ako kay Coach Elvis kasi pinayagan niya ako mag-miss na mga practices. Kung example, may school ako, gano'n, then he'll be like, hindi, sige lang, tapusin mo yung kailangan mong gawin. Si Coach Rizal, gano'n din siya. They're very lenient when it comes to school. Para sa kanila, school first, tapos basketball. Kahit nasa MPBL na. Kasi other teams, di naman pa sila gano'n. So, I'm very thankful for them.
Natapos mo na yung course mo?
Apo, graduate po. This year lang po.
This year lang. Anong course mo?
Fitness and Sports Management po. IPEA sa USD. Apo.
About yung kasi syempre, si dad mo, legend,
yes.
Order, even during those times na naglalaro ka sa Team B na parang comparisons or following his footsteps. How did you deal with that?
Siguro naman how I deal with it is I talk to him about it. Sinasabi ko na if ever na may nagko-compare sa akin, ganyan, kinakwento ko sa kanya. And ano lang naman, parang tinatawanan lang namin, parang magkaiba naman tayo like you play different naman from me. You have your own play style. Ako, big man ako. Ikaw, marunong ka mag-dribble. Ako, hindi marunong mag-dribble. Pero shooting, siguro, match-match lang kami. So, ano lang, we just try to laugh it off. Then parang, to him kasi, he never really pushed me naman to play basketball. Parang, ano lang niya, parang if you wanna do it, do it. Pero I'm not here na parang to shove it down your throat na, hindi, mag-basketball ka, hindi, mag-extra tayo, ganyan. Ano siya, parang he'll ask you lang, oh, what are you doing today? Dad, wala. Sige, shooting tayo. Sige, tapos yun. Ano na yun, whole day na kami mag-workout, yan, weights, tapos shooting. Parang, in short, yun na yung bonding namin. Pati yung tito ko, si Tito Harmon. Ganun po. Parang halos from pandemic hanggang ngayon, ganun po yung ginagawa namin. Yan yung bonding po namin as parang family.
Aside from basketball, ano yung parang career option mo?
Career option?
Siyempre, sa IPEA ka, parang in the pipeline na hindi ng plano mo rin even if basketball don't pan out.
Siguro, hopefully, yung goal ko talaga is to play basketball. Pero, if it doesn't work out, then yung backup ko is sa IPL kasi they gave us good options na parang it's either you can manage a gym, you can be a personal trainer, you can manage a basketball team. They really give you the blueprint to be parang versatile sa sports industry. Tsaka since it's a new course, a lot of people don't believe na parang hindi maganda yan or it's not parang ano ba yun, parang fitness, parang PE lang yun. Hindi, pero yung prof ko at that time, si Sir Porto, he really gave me the parang, hindi, minamaliit lang tao yung course natin, pero actually madaming job opportunities yun. So ayan po. So madami naman mga pasukan if ever it doesn't work out.
Siyempre, nandito ka na sa draft, plan to show sa team na pipili sa'yo this draft.
Siguro, what I can contribute, hopefully, if ever I do get picked, is yung hard work. Siyempre, yung good character, siyempre, and yung ganahan everyday sa practice. Kasi nga, para sa akin, ito talaga yung gusto ko ever since Parang gusto ko talaga mag-basketball kahit iwan mo ako sa labas ng bahay. Yun lang yung gagawin ko yung basketball lang. So it's in my blood to play basketball. And siguro naman, if my dad can do it, syempre, I hope a little bit rubs off on me. Ayun. I can contribute siguro yung hard work. Yung hard work niya, good attitude, a good role player lang.